Today I'm going to tell you how you can make $10,000 off of YouTube just with Adsense. We're also going to be playing with the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette. This is the Bright Light palette.
And look at these shades in here.
Did that really? Okay, apparently that one wasn't pressed that well. So we are going to be playing with this palette. I just cannot wait to dig into this. These colors are screaming at me. So if that interests you, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I know it's always makeup, but I always try to slip a video in trying to help you guys out that have smaller channels. This time I'm going to be giving y'all a goal. I've already done the math on everything, so I'm going to tell you the total amount of views that you need to make $10,000 a month just off of Adsense. This is not sponsored videos. This is just off the ads that are running on your channel. And we're also going to be playing with Pinky Cosmetics. Now, this is their Bright Lights palette, and this came out a while back, but I haven't really seen many videos on it, and I have used this, and I absolutely love this palette. I just want to play with it on camera and show you guys how awesome this palette is. Now, this one right here just fell out, and I don't know why it done that. But anyways, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Middle of the night. First of all, guys, let me tell you, my hands, my fingers, they have still got bronzer all over them. I used a bronzer last week, and I have done everything but take a scrub brush to my ass. Let me tell you, it's all over my arms, my legs, my fingers, my hands, everywhere, and it will not come off. It is stained so bad, and it is so embarrassing. I don't even want to go to the store because of this. And it is the Kardashian. I don't know why I didn't bring it in here. It is awful. Don't ever use it. It is a Kardashian self-tanning thing, and it looks like water. I don't know if I picked up one that was already expired, or if I'm just doing something wrong. I seem to have a lot of bad luck with bronzer. Anyways, enough with me babbling on about that. I am going to take this off of my eyes because it is in the middle of the night, and I have been wearing this makeup for all day. So I'm going to go wash my eyeballs so we can play with this palette, and we could talk about the $10,000 a month on YouTube. Guys, I'm just going to kind of be playing with this makeup. Now, I did just try to get, like, my eyes clean and not the rest of my makeup. So I had to put concealer all under my eyes and over my eyes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of primer on. Then I'm going to start playing with the palette. I'm just going to be talking about money while I'm doing this. So, guys, now, like I said, I have already done the math on how you can make $10,000 a month just off of AdSense. I'm going to show you my analytics, and I just want to be crystal clear with y'all. So I want to be exactly truthful with y'all about how much I make a month, total views I usually get a month. Now, by far, I do not make $10,000 a month. I just want to make that correct here. Honest with you, I average out at right at about $300 a month. But I have done the math on how to make the $10,000 a month. That just kind of gives y'all a goal and sets a price in your mind. Now, of course, you know, some people, it does take a while to make anything off of YouTube. And, of course, it's going to take me forever to get to the $10,000 a month mark just by AdSense. It is a goal. I've been doing something kind of new, too, guys. I have not even been setting up my primer. And I feel like everything has been going on a lot stronger. First, I'm going to tell you about my analytics. You could go to Social Blade, look up anybody's channel on there, see almost exactly how much they make. Now, it does give you a range from, now, I find that if you go and you look at my channel, mine is more on the higher end. That is usually around about what I make. Not quite, but it's almost. And usually the total views a month that I get is around, guys, change of plans. I will write on the screen somewhere around what my total views a month are, my total amount of views daily is, because I have lost the paper that shows my analytics. Imagine that. So, in order to make $10,000 a month, and this is just AdSense, like I said, this is not sponsored videos, this is nothing like that. If you were looking to make $10,000 a month just with AdSense, if you were to put out a video every single day, you would have to have around about in between 80 to 90,000 views per video. Equals out to about what? 240 monthly? I think I'll write it somewhere on the screen. And I know that sounds like a lot of views, guys. I know it does. I know it does. But if you really work hard, eventually, it don't matter if it takes 10 years for you to get there. It really is worth it in the long run. But guys, when I started YouTube, and I started about a year ago, I mean, I never thought I'd be at the point where I am like right now. You know, even now, I didn't think I'd be here. So, I mean, if it just goes to show, and you never know, you might do a video and it might go viral and you might become an overnight sensation. And now with AdSense, you do get one check a month. They pay out, I believe it's around the 21st of every month is when you get your check. Now, also, it depends on how many people click on the ads also. And I'm not telling you to put 20 ads in your videos, which, first of all, you can only put one ad at the beginning of your video if your video is under 10 minutes. Now, usually, most of my videos are under 10 minutes, but the ones that are over 10 minutes, I will only put 3 or 4 ads. I'm not trying to go crazy out there. You know, I've seen some channels where, I have literally seen some channels where they've got like 20 ads in 10 minutes. And, I mean, that's just a little bit out there. That's a little bit ridiculous, not to think. Ooh, that's super wild. Super wild. Okay, so the $10,000 a month mark would be 80,000 views per video, and that's if you put out a video every day. And of course, what you would want to do is you would want to take the 80,000 and times it by 30. I'll put it somewhere here. That would be the total views. Check out this eyeshadow, guys. That would be the total views a month that you would need to have. And like I said, I'll write that somewhere on the screen. Again, guys, if y'all want to get you a pen and a pad, piece of paper, or whatever, and, you know, you could have that to see how much you could do for $5,000 a month. Or you can have that and, you know, make a goal for $2,500 a month. And I did want to do kind of a high number just to tell you, you know, you're not doing this for nothing. And not to mention, you get to reach an audience. You get, like, for me, it's like I have over 3,200 best friends. That's what y'all are to me. You are my outlet. I don't have friends in real life, so I love to get on here and I love to pour my guts out and just kind of play around with makeup. And I mean, it's just a passion of mine. I mean, I don't have nothing else. You know, I got my boys and I got my cats. And my cats don't talk much and they really don't listen. And the boys, well, they're not too far off from not listening either. So I enjoy getting on here, guys. I love it. And, you know, the money thing is just a perk. That is a bonus. Guys, I think these are so cute. These are so beautiful. Look. I don't know how good this is showing up on camera, but I love it. And I don't know. Let me know down below. It is so hot in this room, guys. I'm sweating my arse off. So I don't know how long I'm going to be in here because this shit might be melted off of my face by then. Definitely going to try. But we have already talked about all the views and everything, what you need to make $10,000 a month. And like I said, for $5,000, I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. If you want to go for $5,000 a month or $2,500 a month, and that is just with AdSense. Now, of course, once you get, see, YouTube don't even go by how many subscribers you have. It goes by views. I don't care if you got 2 subscribers. If you're making 1 million views a month, you're making some money. Guys, these are some beautiful eyeshadows. Just gorgeous. And they are blending out like, I'm barely touching them and they're blending out. And I think what I'm going to do is a cut crease, even though I said I don't want to be in here forever, but I'm going to do one anyways. Just because that mint is calling to me. I love the pinks. What's gotta do? And like I said, you probably see the sweat like busting off my head right now. So I am going to try to be fast. Now I know this isn't like a natural look what people would go for, but I wanted to, I mean, look at this palette. How can you not use these shades? And I think I want to go full cut crease. Guys, I have found myself doing so many, like, I'm stuck on a half cut crease all the time. It feels like that's all I want to do. Is this point where I don't even care if it's even or not. I want to use that matte, but I think I'm going to go in with the blue on the ends, and it's going to be kind of like a spotlight. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's just so pigmented. I mean, I just can't believe I'm not hearing anything about this. Guys, all in all, if you want to start a channel, I would say go for it. I'm not telling nobody to quit their jobs and then think you're going to become all famous on YouTube, because it is going to take a while, but eventually you're going to get there. And that's why I love to help out smaller channels than myself, because I was there. I was in that position where I just thought, oh my God, nobody's even watching me. What the hell am I doing? Because there are so many forums. There are so many options now. Ever since we had that thing with Adsense, where they literally changed how you could get approved for the partnership program. Literally, after all that happened, then had all the small YouTubers come together, and I loved it. It was the small YouTuber movement, and of course I was in on that. I mean, you know, come on now. How could you not be? And I was trying to help people get up their watch times, and I mean, I don't want that to stop. I want that to keep going. I'm taking this green and I'm going in the middle. I know, guys, I know this looks like, what the hell is she doing? This isn't a look that you would wear every day, but come on, guys, I had to use them. Matter of fact, I'm going to go in with my finger right here. I mean, it is pigmented enough, but oh my God, with the finger, look at this. It's gorgeous. Now I'm going to go back in with that blue and just kind of darken it up a little bit. I want it, and the hell just made me go with the spotlight full cut crease. But I think this look is turning out gorgeous. Ain't too shabby if I don't say so myself. Just gorgeous, guys. This palette, I mean, I don't know why I haven't heard anything about this palette. I've maybe seen 1 or 2 videos, and that's about it. And that's because I looked it up myself, because I was like, okay, am I crazy, or am I the only one that likes this palette? Why is nobody talking about it? Is the company bad? Have they done something, or have I missed something here? I kind of want to stay with the teal, so I'm going to go under the eyes with teal. Look at that. Oh my God. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you've already got one, and you just don't feel any growth or anything happening, I mean, like I said, there are many options. There are so many other social platforms and stuff where we got forums open and everything like that, where you could get help. Get help with your watch time and stuff. And of course, I'm always game to help anybody. So if you could leave it down in the comments, you know. If I'm not already subscribed to you, I would be happy to do that for you. No, it's not like this needs lit up any or brightened, because the colors are just wacky as hell. I'm going to do it anyways. I'm a rebel. Rebel Mandy. Yep, that's me. Never leave the house, Mandy. Now, I'm just going to kind of smear a black liner. I'm not going to put it all the way up in my waterline in my top lid. I'm just kind of trying to darken the lash line just a little bit. Just going to dab a little bit of that mint green that I got in the middle of my eye. Go for it. If you haven't made your channel yet, what are you waiting on? Go for it. You know, I've always told my friends and family around me, I don't care if it takes me 10 years, because I love doing this. I mean, who actually can get up every day and say, oh my God, I love my job so much and I just can't wait to get there. I said, if you don't think that if you do have a channel and you don't think I'm subscribed to you or whatever the case may be, leave it down in the comment section and I will make sure that I go and I subscribe to you if I'm not already, because most of the people that watch me, most of them I subscribe back to. It don't matter if you got a channel or not. I don't care if I go and I check out your icon and you don't have a channel. If I'm like your only subscriber, that's me. That would be me. Because you know what? What are friends for? You know, that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to help each other out. And I love the small YouTube community because that's what we do. We got each other's backs. So, guys, I believe that is it for this look. So, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our little talk. And I hope you enjoyed learning about Social Blade. And I hope it gave you some inspiration about your channel if you have one or if you're thinking about starting one up. And I hope you like the palette. I hope you like the look. This is an awesome little palette. XNO Cosmetics. I can't believe it. But anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys. Okay, it is literally, it's hotter than dog shit in here. It's hotter than monkey shit. And I'm sweating. I'm like sweating my ass off. I'm sweating so bad.